Welcome back to Pamela's Pantry. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I am organizing my jewelry in our new home. So I am huge on accessories. I have tons of necklaces and bracelets, but one of the biggest problems is they all get tangled up together. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to neatly separate each and every one of them so I can see every piece that I have, and getting ready in the morning is going to be a piece of cake for me. Is in fact a wall right here. So instead of having this space wasted, you can't even really fit shoes or anything in there, I thought I'm going to utilize this wall for my jewelry. So all I'm going to need for this project are my basic command strips and of course all of my jewelry. So for now, the way I've been organizing my jewelry has just been on hangers, so that way I don't get my necklaces all tangled up. But I'm really anxious to start this project because I want to be able to actually see everything and know exactly what I have. So we're going to go ahead and start with our command strips. I'm just going to peel one off, and the command strips come with the adhesive portion. We're going to separate off one of those, and we're going to just peel off the red part. Then we're going to take the plastic piece and we're going to stick it directly on the back. Then we're going to peel off the back part. After you apply the command strip to the wall, the directions do say that you want to wait about an hour before you hang anything on them. So we're going to go ahead and put all the strips up, then I'm going to hang the jewelry after. Once you have all your command strips up on the wall, now comes the fun part where we get to organize our jewelry. Enjoyed this video. If any of you have a blank wall space at home and you're looking to organize your jewelry, then I encourage you to try out this technique. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on my Instagram at Pamelas_Pantry, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so don't do what I did. I accidentally put the command strips upside down. This needs to be pointing the other way. This first one, obviously, my husband did to show me how to use the command strip, and the other ones are upside down. So just let me fix them, and I will be right back.